Welcome to the Database Backup Tutorial.
This is Jake
and Chaz
from the VGS Dev team. Today we're going to answer a few questions about backing up your database, including what a database backup is, why we need them, how to make one, what to name it, and where to save it. So, to start off, what is a database backup? A database backup is a copy of the database, including all raw data, data protocols, species lists, and survey questions.
Next, why do we need to make a database backup? VGS is saving everything in a database, from data taken in the field to work you do in the office, so it is a good thing to make a copy for safekeeping. Your computer isn't indestructible. Anything from an operating system error to oops, I dropped it in the river can break your device. So we recommend backing up all of your hard-earned work often. In fact, we recommend that you make a backup after every site visit or after making any significant changes to your database.
Now that we know what a database backup is and why we need them, let's make one.
To make a database backup, select File, Database, Backup. Select the Browse button and navigate to the location of your external storage device. Before starting your backup, add any pertinent information to the file name, such as your location within your organization and the name of the device which you are using. Now you are ready to start your backup.
When naming the database backup, several factors should be taken into consideration. By default, VGS names your backup with the current date and time of your device, but we recommend you add more information, such as your organization's name and your device's name. This becomes very important if your organization has many locations or many devices. Adding this information to the name of the database backup avoids confusion during future database management operations, like data quality assurance and database merging. Okay, last note of the day, and probably the most important. We have a thumb drive with our backup on it. Now what? Do not rely on your thumb drive for storing your backups. Please upload your backup to a work server or computer that has redundancies. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
We hope you have learned something new and helpful.
Until next time.